We're going straight all the way.
Recording. Yeah, this is where we were turning around with the one dude with the Busa, the other Busa.
Right.
Straight all the way. Yep, that was it. Straight all the way into town. That was why I said for once I get to break off before y'all do.
Even the shift light goes like.
Selectrideorrace.
Shit, where the cars that want to play? One of these little import racers leaving the damn strip. Want that cooking. What was I gonna say? Obnoxious ass. She talking about some
I still feel like we have more.
super nice night at Keystone Race Park.
Oh yeah, it was definitely I swear last time we got like maybe 5 runs, 4 runs.
Nah, I don't think so. I just think it felt a lot faster because when we showed up, we basically went straight to racing. This time we were kind of standing around for an hour and a half. Yeah. And last time we basically pulled up, felt like we waited like 25, not even. And they were like bikes. But like I said, we showed up later. Absolute animal. I have no clue.
What is it, chat? Yeah, you ain't going on. You said you ain't going on that ride. He just. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Hold on, she called me right now.
Uh oh.